Hey, I'm making this video for fellow NordicTrack treadmill owners of the 2450. This is the commercial version. And we had this 2 days, bought it at the, late December 2021. And in the middle of a workout, the incline gets stuck. And if the workout's not challenging enough, try finishing your workout in full incline mode. Looking online, it tries to walk you through options of calibrating the incline, but that did not work. Finally got a hold of technical support, and they had me take the cover off and essentially indicated this little board here was the problem, and so they sent a replacement, and that's the only thing that will address it. So that's what the new one looks like. Rev 3. That one is also Rev 3, so we'll see. Maybe there's another chip on here that's specific to the fix. So ultimately we're gonna replace that board and try to get it back to normal working order. So do have to power everything off, unplug, to make sure we don't touch any wires. All right, be right back. Before I take the board off, so I thought it was important to get the cover off of the motor. That was really easy. It's a couple of Phillips screws, one on each side, and then 3. 1, 2, 3 on the back side. So before we disconnect anything, make sure that you take a picture of these cables. Some of these plugs look like they may fit in multiple different slots, so having a picture and the color coding of the wires to make sure you plug it back in the same way is a good idea. Okay, I've got everything powered off and unplugged from the wall. And it looks like some simple plugs here. We'll pop those off and then use a pair of needle nose pliers to get the board off of the frame. All right, I'll do that and be right back. Okay, I've got the plugs out, and so now I'm just going to use the needle nose pliers on these things to pinch them together, and then the board should pop right off. Okay, I was able to get the board off. I had trouble getting this one on the bottom right off. It was a little difficult to reach in there and pinch off, but fortunately they give you the replacement grommets to put in there. So this is the bad board. This is the new one. Actually, the numbers in the revision are exactly identical, so it must have just been a bad board. But other people are having it, so that's why I'm posting this video. So I'm gonna put the new one in there and reverse the process, put one of these in there to get back into the frame. Got the new board in there, and I just tried to push gently to make sure we're not bending any pins. Push evenly on the 4 corners at the same time. It pops right into place. So now we'll just plug the plugs back in and go from there. All right, we got the plugs pushed in. So let's get the cover back on and we'll do the restart process. All right, we got the cover back on and it is powered on, and actually the system lowered itself. So we're gonna go in here. You have to select one of your iFit accounts and go to the top left corner and hit settings. And we're gonna run a calibration this time just to be on the safe side. And we're gonna step off and try to hit that. And we'll click begin. And it's supposed to go all the way up and all the way back down and then back to level once it's done calibrating. That's all the way up. Now it's going back down. All right. And the screen says finish. All right. Hope this helps you. If you got a new NordicTrack 2450 commercial or the same series and it's stuck in Incline, don't fear. It's a little circuit board repair. And call iFit NordicTrack support and they'll get you squared away. Free part, and only took about 5 minutes to replace the board. All right, good luck with your treadmill.